Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Academia Coaches. The topic of my today lecture is structure of plant cell. The structure of plant cell is different from that of animal cell. In the plant cell, around the cell membrane, this is cell membrane. तो प्लांट सेल में सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अराउंड सेल वॉल भी प्रेजेंट होती है, विच इज कॉल्ड सेल वॉल. सेल वॉल is present in plant cell. The animal cell is different from plant cell in a way that the plant cell contain intermediate filament. Intermediate filament. A vacuole is present within the plant cell. Vacuole. And vacuole is present into the vacuolar membrane. Vacuolar membrane. Vacuolar membrane is present around the vacuole in the plant cell. A nucleus is present within the plant cell. It is a nucleus. And within the nucleus, nucleolus is present. Nucleolus is present within the nucleus. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is present around the nucleus. These are rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the chloroplast is present in the plant cell. Chloroplast. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is present below the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The ribosomes are also present in the plant cell. The Golgi vesicles are present. Golgi vesicles. And other structure which is present in the plant cell is mitochondria. Mitochondria. The peroxisome is present in the plant cell. Peroxisome. And other structure is called as amyloplast. Amyloplast. The granules are also present in intermediate filaments. Granules. The microtubules are also present in the plant cell. These are known as microtubules. And other structure which is present in the plant cell is known as lysosome. Lysosomes. And this is the cytoplasm of plant cell. And in the cytoplasm of plant cell, these all different organelles are present. Thank you so much viewers, and Allah Hafiz.
Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.